prices. And finally, it seems that the opposition is getting its act together, with the Congress up in arms and protesting against not only the rising fuel prices, but also the rising inflation in the country. Now, this protest all across the country by senior leaders of the Congress party comes at a time when in Mumbai we are seeing about the petrol prices hovering around 102 rupees per litre. A huge dent as far as the pocket of the Aam Aadmi is concerned.
Top gear protests at petrol pumps across the country. Searing high temperatures and skyrocketing fuel prices have mobilized the Congress nationwide on Friday.
भारत एक ही देश ऐसा है कि जहां कच्चा क्रूड तो सस्ता हुआ, पर ये देश के सुल्तान मोदी जी और भाजपा की सरकार दाम बढ़ाती रही उसमें।
Within last 5 months, they have increased the petrol diesel price 44 times.
So this is totally exploitation on the poor and common man in the country.
The trigger is something that has hit the Aam Aadmi and Mahila everywhere. Fuel prices have been soaring since the beginning of May, with petrol crossing the 100 rupee mark in several cities. The government has blamed the surge on global crude prices, but has categorically rejected demands for a cut in excise duty. Senior Congress leaders like Party General Secretary K.C. Venugopal and Shakti Singh Goel were seen protesting at a petrol pump in Delhi.
This is national capital, and that's why several senior leaders have also joined the protests. So, in a way, now Congress is giving a message, a symbolic message, that if the price rise won't be controlled, then they will be out on the roads.
In Bengaluru, former Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and State Congress President D.K. Shivakumar were detained by the police.
We demand you reduce the tax, excise duty, and make it, we can sell it at 60 rupees per litre.
It's a symbolic protest is what they say, and it will go on till 5,000, go on in 5,000 such fuel stations across Karnataka. And the campaign that they have taken up is 100 not out, because still the fuel prices are hovering around rupees 100.
Senior Congress leaders led an agitation in Kerala, where petrol is being sold at over 97 rupees per litre.
We are now at Thiruvananthapuram, and the Congress, the Kerala Pradesh Congress Committee, is holding protest against the fuel price hike across the state. So we have the senior leaders of the party who have come onto the ground to attend this protest. Right now I'm at one of the fuel stations in the capital city. We have Ramesh Chennathala, the former leader of opposition, who is sitting in protest.
In UP, State Congress Chief Ajay Kumar Lalu was placed under house arrest after he called for a protest. Rajasthan saw two separate protests, one by Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot's camp and another by arch-rival Sachin Pilot.
मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि दबाव बनेगा और केंद्र सरकार को रोल बैक करना पड़ेगा, पेट्रोल डीजल के दाम कम करने पड़ेंगे.
Congress leader Sachin Pilot arrived at this petrol station in the protest against the price hike of petrol and diesel. He came over here for hardly 10 minutes, and that was after he had paid obeisance to his late father, Mr. Rajesh Pilot, in Dausa district.
The Congress called for an immediate cut in excise duty on petrol and diesel and demanded that it be brought under the purview of the Goods and Services Tax. Bureau Report, India Today.
Saurabh Aktania now joins me from Mumbai with more on this story. Saurabh, we just wanted to understand, because, you know, we have seen a lot of times when the petrol prices go up, there are people, those who are common citizens, those who are angry. It hurts their pocket. But the kind of sentiment that the Congress today tried to, in fact, envisage, is it also been seen in Mumbai? Petrol prices are over 102. Look at the prices of other essential commodities, including in fact, pulses and also the cooking oil, which is also skyrocketing.
Absolutely, Ankit. And first, most important thing is that petrol has already crossed 100 mark, but diesel is also not far, Ankit. Let me show you today's rate. There is also increase in the rates today as well. First of all, let me show you the diesel prices, because diesel prices directly affects the monthly budget, because all the goods, all the trucks and tempos use diesel. Diesel is almost 94.19 paise. So this is huge, and now it is inching towards 100 figure mark. We have with us people over here. Last year or up ke daam mein, there is how much difference between the rates?
Last year, June, it was between last year and now, within 1 year, 21 rupees 18 paisa rate has gone up in petrol, and in diesel 23 rupees 33 paisa per liter rate is gone up. With the result, our performance of volume is gone down, and our margin is also gone down. Margin is on per liter, not on percentage.
You can see how it is directly affecting people, Ankit, because this is sharp rise in the prices of petrol and diesel. कितना असर पड़ता है पेट्रोल और डीजल के दाम बढ़ते हैं तो?
पेट्रोल और डीजल के दाम बढ़ने से बहुत ज़्यादा ही असर पड़ता है। हमारे राशन वगैरह हर एक चीज़ हमारी इन सब चीज़ों से जुड़ी है। जो हमारा राशन हम तक पहुंचता है वो भी एक ट्रैवलिंग के ज़रिए ही यहाँ तक आता है। तो डीजल का रेट बढ़ा तो ट्रैवलिंग का रेट बढ़ा, और उसके वजह से हमारे राशन में बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क है।
Saurabh Bhaktania there speaking to people, and one thing is very clear, whether they are agitating or not, but it definitely impacts, and it's a double whammy. At a time, because of the COVID-induced lockdown, earnings are down, people are out of job, the inflation and these prices are going up.